I'm here with my
it's got 4 good cards.
little bro, Bradley. Yeah, and also with my big brother.
Right.
Yeah, you've seen him in the Bean Boozled thing, but his hair has changed a lot. His hair was like a hedgehog then. Not to be mean, but yeah. So we're basically getting his nerf gun and shooting each other in the neck.
Yeah, but Kai has to take that off.
No, but I'm wearing a bit of protection.
Yeah, but you have to take that off.
Yeah, you're not allowed the protection on.
Why?
Because otherwise you fail the challenge.
Come on, it will be the same.
No, it won't. At least pull the hood down.
Right, if I pull the hood down, is that fine? And
you uncover your neck, yes.
And take this off.
Give me my bullet now, Kai.
Right. Better. You know what you and I'm doing. Right, let's move on to this. Right. Who's getting shot in the neck first?
Smallest.
Bradley, you're getting shot, okay? Yeah. Sorry, but I just... What time is it?
Yeah, the gun. Show them the gun. Nerf retaliator. Quite a lot of firepower. That's a bloody loads.
Show them my gun.
Facepalm.
Show them my gun.
Seriously, he's just showing off the goes, don't worry. Yeah.
But it hurts. I'm being serious.
Yes, it does. It feels like a bit of metal.
We just did it. I've got like a little red mark from it. It hurts. I think it might still be there. I don't know.
See there.
Is it still there?
Yeah. Only a little bit. Yeah. So let's get on with this. We've been chatting for a minute, so let's get started.
Right, go.
Microphone. Right. Whatever we do.
Who wants to shoot in the
Sorry about putting the phone up.
This one.
We're doing it here.
On the video.
Yeah.
Bradley's going first. Come on, Bradley.
Ready? Get shot. No, what are you?
No,
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. You're in the way. Right, come here.
Come here.
Come here so I can see.
Come here. Gonna get shot in the neck with it.
Ow!
got a mama.
Right, the gun.
Kai now.
Right.
I'm sorry I didn't do it. Yes. I don't know what to do about him. Yes. Shoot me.
Come here. The neck.
I can't wait to
the
get
camera.
killed.
I don't even know.
Yes. But, it feels like I kicked his gun. So that's even more pain. I kicked his gun. It feels like kicking loads of plastic or metal or whatever. And then I got shot, which feels like a flipping paintball. I'm taking it off.
Doesn't feel like a paintball, I'm being serious. Paintballs hurt way more.
paintballs hurt way more.
Right, now it's your turn to shoot in the neck.
3, 2, 1. Get the stretch on.
Let me do.
Oh, so...
Let me do mine. Yeah.
Your gun doesn't hurt. No, you're not doing your gun.
Why?
Why are you taking that off? Why you got to end the video? Get out of the way of the video.
Oh yeah, and Aaron, you're watching this, because you watch every single one of my videos, so.
Shouts out to Aaron.
Yeah, shout. Yeah. And this is your birthday present.
Shouldn't really be showing them, but there you go.
Yeah, pick them because I told you I was
Got
going
the highest price ones.
Yep.
And there's some good cards in there as well.
Yep. Rare, probably.
Unopened.
Yep, unopened.
Sealed, signed and ready to deliver. Don't you dare open it. It's not yours.
I know. Right, I'll keep them there. Oh, would I? Right! Who was... Right. I'm shooting in the neck. Bradley, come here.
That gun doesn't hurt. There's no point in doing that gun.
This is Bradley's gun. My good. Nope.
I have to shoot somebody. Who wants to get shot?
Me first, because
I bet you're running into that.
it doesn't hurt.
What was
Me?
that?
Me now. Me now.
No.
Now me.
Not as you.
Now me.
Not as much.
Now me.
It doesn't hurt as
If you
much.
take this off, it hurts quite a bit more. Because the bullet's being shot straight out of the chamber, whereas
Like, right now, to get me a little joke. Thanks. Right, screw that, Andrew. Yeah, you probably know me from nothing. What?
video.
Oh, shit, no. on your toe.
No, you're not doing it more. It hurts.
No, one more.
No, Madam's apple hurts.
I'll do it. Ready? Get in the camera. Sit right there. Okay. Otherwise, I will.
It's got to be up a bit more.
What could give a hell?
Doesn't not.
Probably doesn't know. No. It won't come up for like a minute.
Should I do it for any longer? Or?
This is the end of the video. In a bit.
Yeah, this is the end of the video. You want it to be? So yes. So
Yeah. Goodbye.
not
You
goodbye
got
right
the Retaliator, 3 attachments. You've got the long barrel, you've got the grip, and you've got the stock attachment to stock, which turns into a nice little pistol.
Yeah, so like the video. Don't forget to punch that subscribe button and subscribe. And peace out, boys. My juicies, boys.